Oh, do you have a key?
No.
Oh, I could have swore I just heard something go off. Oh, got it. Okay. All right, I'm going to do the door key and then I'll do the remotes, okay? Yeah. I'll take. Yeah.
Are you going to need to get in the passenger seat at all?
No. What you got over there?
Just everything for inside the car.
Oh, nice.
Just jam-packed into the foot area.
Gotcha. Has it been sitting for a while?
For about a
Couple weeks? Still has battery though, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should run.
Alrighty.
She better run.
Right? Where did the fob get lost? Here or somewhere else?
I think here.
Here?
Or in the truck.
Oh, gotcha.
I think it might have fell out of the truck.
I don't know. It's been a while. At this point, we figured it's gonna be.
Yeah. It's interesting to me sometimes, like one lady calls me and she goes, yeah, I had this car sitting in my garage for 10 years and I want to get a key made for it, you know? And I'm like, why today? You know, like what happened today that, you know, that changed your...
10 years.
Yeah, just like some old car in a garage or something.
How do you know the key works?
All right.
That was good one. That's on fire. Cool. Would you like a water?
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
It's cold too.
Really? Perfect. 2, 2, 3, 3.
Thank you very much.
Oh, that's good. And we're gonna do 2, right? Yep. Okay. Let me start 1.
Is this your company?
Yeah.
How long is this going to take?
We should be out of here in 10 minutes or less.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Nissan Altima. Direct. 1122. 33. 3214. Alright, let's go check this one. Yep. That's where we need the remotes. We'll put the flashers on. Go to Nissan Sentra. Newest one we got. Ignition is off. Okay. Success. Turn on. Should turn on. There we go. Okay, it kind of like didn't exactly. I'm gonna do it without the machine because it wasn't turning on. But anyway, that key just took. The next one, you see the key light blinking 5 times. You know that one took. Turn it off. Go back to our first one. And that's it. It should say like complete or something. It doesn't matter if it does or doesn't. All right, this one works. Key registration complete. There we go. That one works. Let's start the car. We're done. Well, I'll cut the other backup key. How's my timing? Yeah. This back. Good? You know how to start the car with a dead battery? If you ever need to?
Start a dead battery.
Like if the fob ever has a dead battery?
No. Never
You basically just touch the key to the start button. Yeah, so the fob, let me show you. So this part of the fob, you just touch it right to that start button and the car will start.
Oh.
No way.
Never
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why they give you the door key in case the battery dies, so you can also start it like that.
That's cool.
All right.